Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to see the common measuring instruments. Now, what do we measure in electric circuit? Suppose we need to measure what is the amount of current flowing in a circuit. What is the voltage drop across the circuit, or what is the potential used by any device in the circuit, right? So these are the measurements we need to care, okay, or we need to see. So first of all, the two common measuring instruments are ammeter and voltmeter. So ammeter measures the current in the circuit and voltmeter measures the potential drop or potential difference across any element in the circuit. Now let's see how do we do that, okay. Now let me show you the pictures of ammeter and voltmeter first, then you will have a basic sense of it, okay. So now as you can see the two pictures over here, this is the ammeter, A written in the device as you can see, just to sort out our confusion, okay, between the devices, and this one over here is a voltmeter. So ammeter measures the current in the circuit, what is the current flowing, okay, in a circuit. Now in order to measure the current, ammeter is used in series with the elements, or you can say in series with the circuit, and this one over here, the voltmeter, is used in parallel combination. Now let's see what is in series and what is in parallel, okay, and you will be saying this in your science labs, okay, in your practical experiments when they ask you to measure the current or measure the potential difference or potential drop across any devices, okay, in your lab. So now let's see how they are used and where they are used. Let's see one picture over here or one circuit diagram so that you will have understanding over here. So as you can see, not this one, this is circuit diagram, this is your electrical circuit, okay. This one is your electrical circuit and this one is your circuit diagram actually, okay. Now as you can see in the electrical circuit, there is a battery, the source over here as you can see, right, and this is a switch over here as you can see, okay, key, and this is the ammeter. This is rheostat or the variable resistance, okay, which is, see, as you can see the slider over here, it can be slided so that in order to control the current in the circuit if there is a fluctuation in the current, okay. And over here as you can see, this is the bulb which finally uses the electrical energy because there is no other devices in the circuit, only the bulb which uses the electrical circuit, and there is a voltmeter also as you can see. Now did you notice anything over here? As you can see, the ammeter is used in series, that is, it is connected in series like this, okay, and the symbol for ammeter which we use is A. It is used in series with the other elements, okay, with the other elements. As you can see, it is connected in series. See, key, this one is the key, ammeter, rheostat, bulb, but the peculiar thing about the voltmeter is it is connected across like this, as you can see. Got that? Okay. Now see, there is a battery, right? There is a battery, then key, then rheostat, isn't it? See, or the circuit diagram is given below as you can see. There is a bulb, this is bulb actually, okay, this is the bulb, okay, as you can see. This is a rheostat, okay, variable resistance, rheostat, RH, R suffix H. This is the ammeter which is used in series as you can see, and this is the key over here as you can see, okay, it is open. When we switch it on, okay, when we switch on the circuit using the key over here, then the current starts flowing and the ammeter gives the reading of what is the amount of current flowing in the circuit, and if there is any fluctuation in the current, okay, it happens generally in a circuit, then there is a rheostat over here in order to control it, okay, and there is a bulb over here which is finally using the electrical energy from the source or the battery over here, okay, and in order to measure the potential difference across the device which consumes the energy, there is a voltmeter used, that too in parallel as you can see. So this is the meaning of parallel and this is the meaning of series, okay, it is connected along with the other elements, okay, in series, in the same element or in the same wire, but this wire as you can see, it is in parallel with the bulb over here, okay, with the bulb. So this type of connection is called as parallel connection. You'll see parallel connection in house wiring. Okay, in your house wiring, every devices which are connected like electric bulb, tube light, fan, heater, TV, anything, fridge, all are in parallel combination. Okay, all are in parallel combination, so that each and every element gets equal voltage. Why? Because as you can see from here only, the voltmeter measures the potential, the voltage. That's why it is used in parallel. If it is used in series, you won't get the same potential. So that's why in order to measure the same potential, whatever is the potential drop across the bulb or the device which is consuming electrical energy, we need to use voltmeter in parallel. I hope you got that right. And current is same in series. Current is same in series, that is along the wire or the circuit. That's why the ammeter is used in series. So whatever the current flowing in the circuit, if we keep the ammeter also in series, okay, then we can measure the amount of current flowing in the circuit. Okay. Now, if you want to measure the potential or potential difference or potential drop across any device, you use it in parallel. Why? In parallel, potentials are same. And if you want to measure the current in the circuit or through any device, what you do? You use ammeter in series. So ammeter in series, ammeter in series you have to use, because in series, because let's write, since current is same in series, current is same in series. Okay. And voltmeter in parallel, let's write, since in parallel potential drop or difference is same. Okay. Potential in parallel, potential drop or potential difference is same. That's why voltmeter is used in parallel, and whereas ammeter is used in series. I hope that is clear to you, right? And this is the key, of course, and this is the rheostat RH, which can be seen over here. This is the circuit diagram symbol. Okay, over here they have used this way also, you can use it. Okay, that is there is an arrow, as you can see, you can slide that arrow depending on the fluctuation of the current in order to control it, right? So that was all about our common measuring instruments. So in this particular level, you just need to know about the ammeter and voltmeter only. Okay, there are many devices which are used, which we will be seeing in higher classes. Okay, so that was all about our common measuring instruments. I hope you understood. Thank you.